How's it going, everyone, and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll be teaching you guys how to add Google Analytics as a tracker for your GoDaddy website or domain. So without further ado, let's dive right in. So to actually do this is quite simple, and the first thing we need to do is we want to make sure that we're logged into both our GoDaddy account as well as our Google Analytics account as administrators. So what we're looking to do here is extract the tracking ID or the measurement ID over from our Google Analytics and pasting it over to our website on GoDaddy. So from here, the first thing you need to do is once you guys are logged in, you want to navigate to the Edit Site button on your dashboard for GoDaddy. So it would normally be under here. So it's on the top right corner of your screen. Click on your account, your profile icon, click on My Products, and it should redirect you to this page right here where you get to configure your website. Actually, hold on. Okay, so here we are. Here's my website. So once you guys are on this page right here, you want to click on Edit Website, like so. And then you want to click on the top right corner icon of your screen, being Settings. And right away, you'll see that there's an option to import Google Analytics. So what it's looking for here is your measurement or tracking ID. So to get this is quite simple. You want to head over to Google Analytics and you want to navigate to the very left corner of your screen, like so. Click on Admin. And what we're looking for here is under Data Collection and Modification. So once you guys are here, you want to click on Data Streams and click on the property that you want to, or whose measurement ID you want to extract. So in this case, let's do this one. And here it is. This is the measurement ID. So we're simply going to copy this over, go back to GoDaddy, paste it here, and you guys are done. Simply publish and you're done. So hopefully this video helped you guys out. And if it did, be sure to let us know down in the comment section below. And if you guys want to see more videos like these, we do have a YouTube channel where we do guides like these daily. So if you guys want to show your support that, you can do so by subscribing to the channel. So with all of that said, thank you all for watching and we'll see you guys in the next one. Bye-bye.